The Ringblitz from BFS produces short frame parts, cover plates and grade rings, also with integrated cast iron frame, and many special products, efficiently and in the highest quality. BFS offers a customized machine concept, including peripheral devices. From small series up to large-scale production, you will always find an economically profitable Ringblitz solution. The production parameters for the fully automated control are selected at the operator's touch panel. Product height, for example, can be changed at lightning speed. As an above ground level machine, Ringblitz does not need a pit. If built-in parts need to be inserted manually, this results in a comfortable working height. The matching vibration system from BFS ensures optimally compacted, high-quality concrete products. Thanks to the unloading clamp, a product series can be produced completely without base pallets. It separates the new concrete ring from the mold while it is still inside the machine. Displaced stacking at several positions and automated use of a release agent enable the fresh products to be stacked directly on top of each other and cured, thus saving space. In one 8-hour shift, the Ringblitz Mono can produce over 500 grade rings. With the Ringblitz Duo version, output can be almost doubled and productivity duly increased. Quality, reliability, efficiency. Production of concrete rings is best with Ringblitz from BFS.